In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a bank account from QuickBooks Online in just a few simple steps. This can be incredibly useful if you're switching banks, closing accounts, or simply want to declutter your QuickBooks dashboard. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your QuickBooks Online account and the necessary account information. Now, let's get started. First, you need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. If you're already familiar with how this works, you know the drill. Just click on Sign In. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to choose the platform you're using. In this case, you'll select QuickBooks Online. Next, type in your credentials, that's your username or email and your password, and hit Continue. Remember to double check your login information to avoid any hiccups during this process. It's always a good practice to ensure your password is strong and secure to protect your financial data. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the banking section. You can do this by either selecting the banking tab from the main menu or following a dedicated navigation link often found in the upper part of your QuickBooks interface. This will take you to the bank transactions page where all connected accounts are listed. Now locate the bank account you wish to remove. Next to your bank account details, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click on this icon to edit the account information. This is crucial when making any changes or updates to your account settings. After selecting the pencil icon, you'll notice an Edit Account Info option. Click on it to open the Account Settings menu. This is where you can manage various details related to your connected bank account in QuickBooks Online. The next step is important. Look for the option that says Disconnect this account on save and check that box. By doing this, you're instructing QuickBooks to stop importing transactions from this specific bank account. But don't worry, existing transactions will remain in your records. You're merely severing the connection for future imports. Once you've checked that box, QuickBooks will ask for confirmation. Click Yes to confirm your choice. It's always a good idea to review your decision at this step, ensuring it's the right one for your bookkeeping needs. Finally, to finish the process, click on Save. This will apply all the changes you've made and officially disconnect that bank account from your QuickBooks Online profile. Make sure you see the confirmation message on the screen indicating that your account has been successfully disconnected. And there you have it. You've just learned how to remove a bank account from QuickBooks Online in minutes. This process is straightforward once you know where to look, and it can be a real time saver for your accounting tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check back for more QuickBooks tips and tricks to keep your finances in perfect order.